The Functional Restoration Program brings together specialists from across many health disciplines in order to most effectively treat your chronic pain. This includes helping you manage your stress, helping you get stronger, helping you with your diet, and helping you manage your day-to-day activities without re-injuring yourself. That's really the key here. There is no magic medication, there is no magic procedure, there is no magic pill. Chronic pain cannot be cured in the traditional sense, but what this multidisciplinary program can do is help you function and manage your chronic pain so that you can get back to your life. The specific goal of the Functional Restoration Program is to help you get your life back, improve your ability to function in the world, not rely solely on medications, and have a healthier life so you can interact with your friends and family and be able to have a more meaningful and hopeful life. So we hope you enjoy what you're about to see. Of course, you can talk to your doctor about this program because it could be made available to you in the near future. Thank you.
I wish that everybody with chronic pain could experience this because it's huge. I mean, coming in, I was apprehensive coming into this program. I thought, why do you want me to do this? You know, why? There's got to be a catch here somewhere, and there's not. I mean, it's just people helping people.
My biggest success has been not being able to get on the ground since 2013, and now I'm able to get totally on the ground and back up without assistance.
The biggest change that I've noticed is my range of motion is a lot better than when I came in the first week. I have very bad issues with my shoulder and arm, and I couldn't lift it any more than like here before, and now I can bring it all the way up to here.
Getting up out of a chair, I either used to have to maneuver myself to get up or have somebody help me. And that's been probably the last 20 years. But 3 weeks into the program, I got up out of the chair myself. It feels good because now I can get up and down and I don't have a lot of problems.
I've cut my medications almost in half, 4 Norco a day for 14 years. Down to 2.5 right now and continuing down, so that's a positive thing I've seen.
I think the biggest thing is I'm gaining strength in areas where I needed to work on. I'm getting a little more flexible. So overall, I think it's helped me quite a bit. A lot more than things I've done in the past where you go for a certain amount of time and then it's over. So the program itself, I think, has been very beneficial.
Being in a group where everybody has something wrong with them and they have chronic pain, and how they deal with it or don't deal with it is very helpful because it makes me feel not so alone trying to climb this mountain by myself.
Absolutely. I wish this program was available to me 20 years ago. It's amazing. I can't say enough about it. I can't.
I would highly recommend it. I mean, I really feel blessed that I was able to be part of this program because they told us only 1% of workers' comp patients get allowed to be here. And I am very grateful.
I would completely recommend this program to others in chronic pain because it's truly a godsend. You won't believe it unless you try it. That's all I can say, and it's amazing. And if you don't try it, you'll regret it because it's truly beneficial and you get a whole lot out of it.
You know, don't be afraid to try it. You will not be disappointed. And you'll make new friends.